And the race is on. Entry number 4, Dragon King. Fast to begin. From the outside is Erica's Talent. And moving up is Evita. Erica's Talent, Dragon King, Evita, Victory Ranger, Spirit King, Racing in 5th. And moving up in 6 in the middle, Domek. Alongside Friendly Fire, entry number 2, Subterranean Power, Negotiator, 5 o'clock. Rounding the fourth, Dragon King regains the lead from Erica's Talent. And racing in third by Sam 4 lengths, Evita. Spirit King racing in fourth by Sam 2 lengths, Victory Ranger Subterranean. And during the last 400 meters more to run, it's still Dragon King. This time by some 3 lengths, Erica's Talent, Evita Danori inside. And during the last 200 meters more to run, Dragon King Power Negotiator Danori inside and Evita from the outside. Dragon King Evita is on the outside, Power Negotiator. And finally it's going to be close. Power Negotiator Evita, Dragon King Subterranean, Victory Ranger.